Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. In today's video, I share with you how to fry fish in an easy way. All you have to do is to trust the process. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Sophia. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For today's fried fish recipe, I am going to be frying some mackerel fish. You can replace this with any type of fish that you want, okay? So first of all, we're going to start by removing all the things from this fish, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And once that is done, we will proceed to the next stage. I love to use scissors because it's very easy to work with. You can as well use knife or any other thing that can help you remove the things from it very easily, okay? Alright, so while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new video members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, and also commenting. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now we're done removing all the things from the fish. I'll start by cutting the fish according to the size that I want, okay? While that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now that we're done cutting the fish, I'll start by removing any unwanted thing that I don't need from this fish. It's very necessary to remove this, okay? You can also choose to leave it like that if you want to, okay? But trust me, removing it is the best option, okay? Let's remove the head, gills, and everything from it as well, including the teeth. You also need to be very careful with the teeth because my fish was very matured, so the teeth was also matured as well. So you need to be careful with it, okay? Moving forward, I will start by cleaning my fish, and I'll wash the first one off camera with water, and I'll be cleaning it for the second time with some lemon and also salt. Feel free to use anything that can help you get rid of the fishy smell, okay? Whilst all the fish is in the water, I'll leave it for about 5 minutes for it to do its own thing. And after 5 minutes, we are back. This is how our fish looks like. It's looking super clean and perfect. I'm going to strain out the water, and once that is done, I'll start to seasoning my fish with some fish seasoning powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some garlic, ginger, and onion powder and a little bit of salt to taste. I'm not doing too much with the seasoning. Feel free to add extra seasonings of your choice, okay? I'll massage all the seasonings to the fish very nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And when that is done, I will start to heat up my cooking oil. So while that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now that we're waiting patiently for the oil to get hot, I'll also coat my mackerel fish with some all-purpose flour. This will help the fish comes out very nice, very crispy, and very golden. It also helps the fish not to tear apart in the oil when it's coated with flour. so kindly note it. It is totally optional as well, okay? So now the oil is nice and very hot. I'll go in with some onion to give the oil extra flavor. This is very necessary, okay, because we want our fish to really taste really good. Next, we're going to go in with our fish, and we're going to fry this on low medium heat for it to fry very beautifully, okay? So now I'm going to leave the fish to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards I'll flip it over for the other side to also fry beautifully, and the fish should be ready. I tell you, if you want to fry fish in an easy way, then trust the process and you will love it. So now let's fry on low medium heat until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. As always, you should be checking it from time to time because we really want this fish to really come out really good. After frying for about 10 minutes, as you can see, it's looking all perfect. I'm just flipping it over for the other side to also get ready in no time. And at this point, you haven't still followed your girl on all social media platforms. Baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me on all social media platforms. I am on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, just everywhere that you can find Cooking with Efia. Just follow me there and let's vibe over there beautifully. Alright, so now after frying the other side for about 5 to 10 minutes, this is the outcome. Do you see that beautiful golden brown and crispiness on it? It's looking super good, and trust me, it turned out just perfect, just the way I want it. I'll also go in with the second batch and I'll fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that I'm looking for, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. The fish is looking super good and just perfect. Fam, let me know what you think about this deliciousness. It turned out really good, and I hope you're going to try this fried fish recipe. All you have to do is to trust the process. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.